Gene Henry, owner of Quality Crushing. We're crushing ore for this copper mine here. From our stockpiles, it goes directly into the ball mill, from the ball mill right into the flotation. The end material is just a copper concentrate, and that's the product that they sell here. The shot rock goes into the jaw crusher, and then we have the primary cone, and then we're running extra fine liners in our finish cone, and that's the one that's basically doing all the work right now. You know, the production, as we increase here, we'll probably finish with both of these 400s and maybe put a 300 horse cone in front of them. The mills that they have in there were probably not quite big enough. In order to increase the production through the mill, we've gone down to 1/4 inch minus on our size. In the beginning, we didn't know if we could make that work. So far, we've been able to do that, and that's really helped the flotation process, the grinding process. It's just helped everything work better here. We've been running the 400 Kodiaks. We really like those.
We found the Kodiak 400 to be good in all applications. In this case here, we run the tertiary cone at 950 RPMs. We're running an extra fine liner. This here has helped us produce that 1/4 inch minus, whereas the secondary crusher, we're running a medium fine, and we're running it at 900 RPMs. We found that's where it gives us the most 1/4 inch minus production as well. On the fine liner, the higher RPM gets us the more 1/4 inch minus. One of the great selling factors of the cones, the hydraulic tramp liner release system, that works fantastic in this application. These guys get a lot of drill pieces and a lot of uncrushables that actually make it the crusher, surprisingly enough. And these cones handle it. The hydraulic mechanism works, it works well, and it allows for a long bearing life and a long crusher life.
The biggest challenge with this material is just the screen capacity. So as we expand this, we're probably going to have to add some screens.
One of the things we do with customers, as of recently with Gene, is in finishing screen applications, is adjusting the screen and the stroke to match the material and the screen sizes and the feed size. In doing so, we've been able to adjust the finished screen and approximately give them 10 to 15% more production of that 1/4 inch minus that was actually being produced by the crushers, but not being pulled out by the screens. We like to look at the screens at the cash register. We tally up at the end of the day how much material you actually made, and in order to do that, we adjust the screens accordingly.
We've just always dealt with Goodfellow pretty much exclusively since about 1997. We get along so well with Goodfellows and the support that they have. There's no reason to go anywhere else.